Hi guys, my name is Victor with iwillbuyhouse.com, and right behind me is a property we purchased about 2 weeks ago. So this property was kind of a scary one for us because the seller was in a bit of a tough situation, and the hoarders in the house completely mistreated the house. And I didn't want to show this house beforehand just to keep some of the privacy of the people that they had. Even though they were hoarders, they were still people. And we just didn't want to, we just wanted to honor them as people, honestly. So we got everything cleaned out. It was absolutely a mess. It was disgusting, unfortunately, but it's gone now. We've taken care of the properties, bought in cash, right? Super quick. No financing contingencies, no inspection contingencies. It's done. So I'll show you a little bit about the house. We already did some landscaping. My guy is super on it. He did a really good job. And he cleaned up the front yard. This is the dumpster. This is load 3, I believe. Load 3. This is load 3. We could take a look, but it's really just debris of stuff. Let me go and enter the code so I can get in. All right. Probably should have done this beforehand. And it's always awesome when you drop the keys in the middle of a video. All right, so let's go inside. All right, so this is a completely gutted house now. So this is where the kitchen was, full of garbage. Over here was the mess in the bathroom. There was a huge water leak. Let me see if I can show you. There was a water leak right there. And oh boy, the shower was atrocious. Yeah, the shower was really bad. So we got that cleaned up. It's pretty darn nasty. So this is so much better. This is what we're working with now. This is the bedroom 1. This is bedroom 2, and we've kind of just cleaned up that wall because it was just terrible looking wall. And this is what my contractors do. They did a great job. I am very impressed with their work. They work super fast and they work clean. And we get the neighborhood cleaned up. That's another thing. That's what I'm super proud of, is all the neighbors before we bought the property would leave notes for the previous owner saying, hey, there's a bunch of stuff in the yard, clean it up. We want the neighborhood to be nice. Well, I mean, the seller was in a tough spot with the squatters and they were moving out, so you couldn't do much, right? So that was, terrible. Let me switch over to show you how nice the neighborhood is. Houses are pretty clean in here. So those neighbors over there, were saying, hey, there's a bunch of stuff in the yard, and come on, guys, we want it to be clean. So it's a great neighborhood. It's definitely a corner lot, right? So that's kind of what we do. So we like bringing neighborhoods up to a good condition. This house was not bringing anybody value. We're bringing value to the neighbors around. We're bringing value to the city because now they can get their taxes to pay for the supply or the utilities for the parks, right? That's all value addition to what we do. Not only that, we work with folks who need to sell, right? This is about a need to sell, not I'll think about kind of maybe want to sell. No, it's a need for them. It's a must. They must sell. So that's what we do. We come into a situation where we are a great benefit for them, and we're trying to make sure that this works for them, and it did. It worked great. So we're happy. We're excited to get another project going, and we're looking forward to potentially buying another house. So if you guys have a house to sell, go to an agent. If you need a house to sell, come to us. We would love to work with you. All right, thanks guys so much. Bye-bye.